Hey there, it's Chandan Sharma, and welcome back to our channel, where we are all about continuous improvement and making the most out of marketing automation. Today, we are diving into the world of e-commerce and marketing automation, two areas where the right strategies can make a world of difference. So, we have already discussed about e-commerce and marketing automation, but in this video, I'm going to focus on the five important parts which make a great deal of difference. So, when implementing marketing automation for an e commerce business, there are several critical considerations to keep in mind to ensure its effectiveness, right? So, let's start one by one. So, number one, customer segmentation and personalization. The first key to successful e commerce marketing automation is understanding your customers. Just like in personal development, one size doesn't fit all. Segmenting your customers based on their behavior, demographics, and preferences. Remember, personalization is the name of the game here. And once again, like I've discussed in my other segmentation videos, we are talking about the base segments and the hybrid segments, right? So base segments are the ones like we just discussed about, behavior, demographic, and uh, preferences. But when it comes to hybrid segments, where we take, one or two or more base segments to create further segments, and the hybrid segments are the key to the conversions and revenue generation. So create a personalized marketing campaign and product recommendation for each segment. Personalization enhances the customer experience, increases engagement, and drives higher conversion rates. Now let's dive into topic two, which is abandonment recovery. This is more about cart abandonment, which is the most talked about problem in when it comes to e-commerce business. It's like setting a goal and then letting it slip away. In e-commerce, customers often abandon their shopping carts, and these rates are quite high based on the industry as well. Use automation to send if timely and friendly reminders, and incentivize them to complete the purchase. Just like sticking to your habits, consistency always pays off. Now, very recently, one of my client we had just tried recovery, abandoned cart recovery with just 5% discount, and it really created a lot of difference in their revenue model. Because earlier, first of all, they were not doing any abandoned cart recovery, but when they started it wasn't converting as much. But just by 5%, they could actually get a lot of revenue to that 5% discount. So craft compelling messages that remind customers of the items left behind, offer incentives, and make the checkout process as seamless as possible. The next topic is product recommendation and upselling. Like building good habits, recommending the right products to your customer is an art. Use automation to suggest items based on their interest and previous purchases. And don't forget to upsell. Offer complimentary or upgraded products to boost your revenue. Implement upselling and cross-selling strategies by suggesting complimentary or higher-end products during the shopping journey. Now let's talk about marketing automation, which is like email marketing campaigns. Emails, my friend, is a very powerful tool. Think of it as setting clear goals. In e-commerce, it's about setting up automated email campaigns, order confirmations, shipping updates, product recommendations, and personalized offers. Keep nurturing those customer relationships. And finally, we're getting to the analytics and testing. It's all about data. Continuously analyze your automation efforts, what is working and what is not working. A/B testing, different elements on your website or also the emails that you send, and also on the personalized emails as well as the landing pages. Just like experimenting with different parts or different things in life, and use the data to fine tune your strategies. Progress is about constant improvement. So there you have it, the top five things to keep in mind when doing marketing automation for e-commerce. Remember, it's all about continuous improvement and making small changes that leads to big result. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights on mastering the art of e-commerce through effective marketing automation. Thank you, and see you in the next video.